Dear AI aspiring engineers into the data world, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see the template where we try to do the data analysis, that is nothing but the EDA, exploratory data analysis in a Python. Whenever you have given a data set, you need to write the objective what you are going to do, and you need to mention these three, that is EDA with Python, where we try to find the insights and pattern. If it is a classification, we need to tell it's a classification. Whether it is a regression, we try to say it as a regression. So this is our objective. The first point in this one is we try to load the Python modules. Someone will say it's a package, someone will say it's a module, but we try to load it. That is the first. What all the related one which we are going to use for a data analysis. The second point will be the reading the data set from CSV, Excel or URL by using Pandas. So what the data set is located in which file, the file type is Excel, CSV. If it is located in the URL, you try to give the URL. Third one is a basic inspection on a given data set. We can call it as a quick checks: head, tail, sample, shape, length, size, D types, columns, info, is null sum, is NA sum. This is giving the basic inspection on the given data set. And non-significant columns like loan ID, case ID, rule number, account number, that doesn't make any sense and we cannot find any insights from them, so we can drop it. If it is making non-significant column, then you can drop it. Fourth one will be the handling the missing values in the categorical variables, replace with them with mode. This is the one of the method. If you feel a better approach for the given data set, please follow it. Fifth point is categorical univariable or univariate analysis by using the pipeline, where we try to say a frequency table, creation, graph, bar graph and pie graph. For all the categorical variables inside the data set, we need to repeat and find the observation or write the observation. Sixth one, handling the missing values in a numerical column. The one of the method is replace with a median. This is the one of the method. If you fall which is more interesting, which is more relevant, which is significant, you can replace the missing values with that method. Seventh one is a numerical univariable or univariate analysis using the pipeline, frequency interval, data distribution table, histogram graph, histogram with KDE, kernel density estimation or estimator graph, box plot. And eighth point is the numerical variables outlier analysis. We can use the IQR or we can use the -3 sigma to +3 sigma. Based on the data distribution, you can follow this one. Now we are moving on to the bivariate analysis. In this one, we have three categories: categorical to categorical. We try to create the contingency table by using the crosstab, and we try to generate the bar graph with a hue parameter. Next one is categorical to numerical, box plot with hue, violin plot with hue. Now we are moving on to the numerical to numerical, scatter plot with hue, correlation, that is covariance, correlation coefficient. So this we try to find and see is there any correlation, and finally we try to represent by using the heat map. And there is a pair plots is also there, that also we can use in bivariate analysis. 10th point, we are going on to the data transformation. This is left skew to normal, right skew to normal, different distribution to the normal distribution. So based on the input column nature, we try to transforming into the normal distribution format. And 11th one is the standardization and normalization, min max scalar, standard scalar. Based on the input column data distribution, we can try to apply this one. 12th one, convert the categorical into numerical columns. We have a two types, one hat encoding and label encoding. 13th point, reduce the number of columns. If you are seeing the curse of a dimensionality, then we can use the PCA or a TSNE. If not, you can go to the 14th point, inferential statistic test, chi-square test, ANOVA test, t-test, one and two tail test, biserial correlation coefficient. How between the variables, how they are correlated by doing this following test, whether we can confirm is there any relationship or not. So by doing these 14, we try to know, we are studying about the data set and ready to find the insights and pattern, if it is based in the classification or regression. All these insights we try to write it into a document and present it. That is the end of the exploratory data analysis. We try to meet in the next video with an example. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.